Ladies and gentlemen, Garfield and friends.
We're ready to party.
We're ready to party. We're ready.
I hope you bring lots of spaghetti.
I'm scared. Come on in, come to the place where fun never ends. Come on in, it's time to party with Garfield and friends. Dancing,
Fiesta,
romancing,
siesta,
samba,
la bamba. Ay caramba, disguises, surprises, and pies of all sizes.
Come on in, come to the place where fun never ends. Come on in, it's time to party with Garfield and friends. Come on in, it's time to party with Garfield and friends. Garfield and friends.
And just remember what you paid to get in.
Want me to throw the stick again, boy?
Another heavyweight intellectual activity. This is a felony in some states.
Ah, there he is. The doggy I need for my experiment. Don't be scared, little doggy. I merely need to borrow you for a second. I won't harm you, puppy.
We interrupt this cartoon for a footnote. If that man with the Three Stooges haircut looks familiar to you, there may be a reason. He was on the show about 2 years ago. We've rerun that one about 98 times by now. Let's see, Box of Fun, Garfield Goes Hawaiian. Here we go. Raboti, one of my favorite episodes. What was that guy's name again?
Oh, do not fear, little Poochie. I am Dr. Bean. Dr. Gabanzo Bean. I do mad scientific work and 1-hour film developing.
Dr. Bean, that's it. He built all those robot duplicates of Odie. This is a sequel. Same title, same guest star, and probably most of the same jokes. We now rejoin our cartoon where we left off. Thank you.
I won't harm you, puppy.
Odie? Odie? Maybe he's lost.
Nah, we don't have that kind of luck. Let's go look for him in a good Italian restaurant.
Here's the stick I threw.
Uh-oh. It's not like Odie to give up on a stick. He has a head for wood, and vice versa.
Come on, we've got to search.
I am not giving up on my dream to perfect the robot dog. They said the Wright brothers were nutty. They said Thomas Edison was nutty. They said Philip W. Underberger was nutty. Huh? He was my uncle. He was nutty. But I am not. I am a great inventor. I invented the telephone. Okay, so I did it in 1987. How was I to know somebody had beaten me to it? Once I unveil my robot dog, the world will never laugh at me again. The computer is assimilating the data. Any minute now. Wow. It works! It works! The robot dog! I will test it out!
Wow. What a cute little doggy.
Yow! Oh! Hey, dog! You come back here!
Wow. Hey, dog! Don't touch that!
My robot dog still has a few bugs. Or fleas in it.
There's the dog that the police warned us about.
There he is! Keep her here! We'll find him! There he is! Keep her here! We'll find him! There he is!
Okay, dog, it's over. We're gonna put you away where you'll never cause trouble again. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
You know, it'd be simpler just to buy another dog.
Garfield, did you hear someone yelling this way?
Oh, wow.
You can say that again.
Help! Help!
Odie, who or what is that?
Oh my goodness! That's the second biggest robot dog I've ever seen!
Dr. Bean?
Dr. Garbanzo Bean in person, in the flesh! I seem to have miscalculated again. Come back to my lab, where I will offer profound apologies for all of this. There, I've dismantled them all. I will never build another robot dog again, I promise. I especially am sorry to you, little doggy. I got you in a heap of trouble. Do you forgive me?
Hey, Dr. Bean, what's this?
Oh, that's my newest invention, of which I'm so proud. The robot cat. Here, give it a try.
It just lays there and doesn't do anything.
It works! It does everything a real cat does!
Don't get too attached to Dr. Bean, kids. This is his last time on the show.
I didn't see it. I don't know anything about it.
Hey, what are you cooking, Bo?
Cajun food, man. Did you ever make, like, blackened eggplant? No, everything I cook comes out blackened, including the angled food cake. Boy, you're gonna need a pound of butter.
Well, at least we got plenty of that. We've been churning a supply of butter for weeks. It's empty.
How can that be? This is not the Garfield cartoon, you know.
That refrigerator was full of butter last week.
Someone stole all our butter, man. I know who did it. It was... Wait. Let us not be too hasty to accuse anyone. Why do you think Roy did it?
I'll go talk to him. You guys start churning some more.
Oh, we love our butter. I can butter a roll. I can butter my toast. I can butter my beans. Oh, I love it. Oh, no. Someone wants to take all my beautiful butter away from me. Just a second.
Come in.
Hi, Roy. I was wondering...
No butter. I am completely out of butter. Oh, if only I had some butter.
Gee, Roy, you've put on a few pounds. You wouldn't happen to have some butter in there.
You wouldn't happen to have an entire dairy in there, Piggo.
Fair comment. Okay, Roy, I'll go look somewhere else for the stolen butter.
The thought that Honest Eye would steal butter. How absurd. Butter, 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 butter. How do I love thee? Let me count the pats.
How much more butter do we have to churn, Orson?
50 or 60 more pounds. I'm gonna go grab a quick nap and then I'll churn some more.
What an exciting cartoon, huh?
I know Roy has that butter, but it would take a superhero to prove it.
Faster than a speeding custard. More powerful than a garlic pizza. Able to leap tall sandwiches in a single bound.
Up there in the sky! It's a bird! No, it's a plane! No, it's a bird! No, it's a raccoon! I'm sure it is a raccoon! No, it's a jumbo jet! No, it's a helicopter! I'm telling you, no, it's a helicopter! I can see it coming!
No, you're all wrong. It's a pig. A pig. You got that?
A pig?
Yes, it's Power Pig, strange visitor from another Waller, and who, disguised as Orson Pig, mild-mannered Saturday morning cartoon star, fights a never-ending battle for truth, justice, and some other important stuff.
Help! Like, help someone! I've been robbed, man! Like, where is Power Piggo?
This looks like a job for the police. I'll go get lunch. No, on second thought, this is a job for Power Pig. I'll find a phone booth and change. I will change in there.
Hey, Power Pig! Somebody just stole all my top-grade butter!
They stole your better butter, Big Bo?
Well, just the bitter variety, man.
Zounds! Someone has stolen Big Bo's Better Bitter Butter.
People use it to make batter for biscuits.
Big Bo's Better Bitter Butter for Better Biscuit Batter?
Any ideas who could have done it?
My mind mulls many malicious malfeasance. Mayhaps mean and menacing Margarine Man burgled Big Bo's Better Bitter Butter for Better Biscuit Batter. Don't worry, Big Bo. I'll get the burgled Better Bitter Butter back. Correction. First I'll fix your sign, then I'll get the burgled Better whatever back.
I've done it, lowly assistant. I now have all the butter in the city.
Why do you want it, Margarine Man?
Because now people have no choice but to use the imitation stuff, margarine, and I control the margarine market. I'll be rich. Now, I shall get rid of all the butter by melting it. Any minute now, the butter will be all gone.
Uh-oh, that sounds like hero entrance music.
You burgled Big Bo's Better Bitter Butter for Better Biscuit Batter.
You're too late, Power Pig. You have good diction, but you're too late. The butter's all melted.
I have to do something. All that butter, I have to find something to put it on. That cornfield, that's it. I'll use my heat ray vision to pop all the corn. It worked! 50 acres of hot, buttered popcorn. I can distribute it to every movie theater in town. Everyone loves hot, buttered popcorn. But first, I need to find a salt mine to shake over all of this.
That's how I prove that Roy has the butter. Stop churning. Popcorn is the answer to all our problems.
Popcorn? How about some pretzels?
No, Wade. Popcorn. Leave it to me.
I am getting perilously low on butter. I hope Orson churns some more so I can borrow it. Oh, no. Be right with you.
Hi, Roy. Just came by to bring you a bag of popcorn.
Popcorn. How inexpensive, but appreciated. There's no butter in this popcorn.
Oh, no, there's no butter anywhere on the farm. And it's too bad, too, because I know some folks can't eat popcorn without golden, delicious butter. Smooth, creamy butter flowing over every kernel, adding to that high-calorie, bad-for-your-health taste. Too bad there's no butter around here to put on your popcorn, Roy.
Butter. I must have butter. Butter. I must have butter on my popcorn.
So that's where you hid it, Roy, you thief.
Please, Orson, forgive this butter-brained rooster, please.
Well, if you replace all the butter you took...
How can I churn that much butter?
I have an idea, and it'll help you lose those extra butter belly pounds.
Orson, how much so far?
So far, you've lost 5 pounds of tummy, and we've got 50 pounds of butter.
How's Roy doing, man?
Well, not bad. Only 600 more miles to go.
Better stop it before we have cottage cheese.
I'm late. I have to get to the TV studio. I have to get to the TV studio. I have to get to the TV studio. I have to be anywhere else. I have to be anywhere else.
I want you to know that I hate cats with big mouths.
You do?
I do. And every time you do one of those TV shows, you say bad things about dogs.
Me? Say bad things about dogs? Oh, no. That's my evil twin doing that. We've got to stop him.
Listen, cat. Read my lips.
I can't. They're like mine. They don't move.
One unkind comment about dogs, and you'll be in that book of world records under pain.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man's best friend. Not one bad word about dogs. Not even a bad syllable.
And cat, I'll be watching!
And now, here's the host of Annoying Things, Garfield Cat. And now, here's the host of Annoying Things, Garfield Cat.
Where's that stupid cat?
Annoying thing number 1. Slippery stage floors. Welcome to Annoying Things, the show that shows you everything that annoys you. A little later we'll be doing that by showing you 99 solid minutes of commercials. But before we get to that, let's look at some other things that annoy us all. For instance, annoying thing number 2 is... Annoying thing number 2 is people on TV who forget their scripts. Excuse me. Let's see what we have today. Poodles, Cocker Spaniels, Doberman Pinschers, Mutts, Boxer Dogs, Pit Bulls, Dachshunds. This could be a very dangerous show. Here are some annoying things that have nothing to do with dogs. Annoying thing number 3, anchovies on pizza. Putting anchovies on pizza is either a felony or it should be. Annoying thing number 4, door-to-door alligator salesman. We have quite all the alligators we need, thank you. Annoying thing number 5, people who make you watch home movies of their goldfish. This must come to a screeching halt. Annoying thing number 6, normal. Need I say more? Annoying thing number 7, that kid who reminds the teacher she forgot to assign homework. Annoying thing number 8 is those little cards that fall out of magazines. I really hate those little cards that fall out of magazines. Your magazine comes in the mail, you open it, and out fall those little cards. And most of them come in your subscription copy asking you to subscribe. Annoying things number 9 through 12 are things that people say that they shouldn't. Annoying thing number 9.
So, what's your sign?
Annoying thing number 10.
Mind if I share an experience with you?
Annoying thing number 11.
I really need to know where my head is at.
Try looking above your shoulders on that little neck-like thing. Annoying thing number 12.
Let's savor the moment.
Annoying thing number 13. People who carry around pictures of their power tools. Annoying thing number 14. People who leave their Christmas decorations up until July. Annoying thing number 15. People who put them up in August. Annoying thing number 16. Normal again. Annoying thing number 17. Doggy tongue. Very dangerous. Annoying thing number 18. The instruction man... You excuse me. We'll make number 18 being interrupted in the middle of your show. You pounded?
Yeah, I pounded. And that door ain't all I'm gonna pound if you make any more cracks about dogs.
Right. I am very sorry. I promise you it will not happen again. That dog's gonna make kitty litter out of me. I gotta make sure I don't mention dogs again. Okay, cat's back. What number was I up to?
19!
Right. Annoying thing number 19 is those instruction manuals that come with things that have to be assembled.
Okay, locate main housing A and insert subassembly B. Now holding flange unit C parallel, affix with locking parts D, E, and F. Then invert assembly and slide rolling cleats G and H and tighten with crescent wrench. Remove outer support structure 7 and discard while tightening locking wheel I.
6 hours later.
Sand unit with fine grain sandpaper, then gently tap substructural wing 9K with a borrowed ball peen hammer, and your assembly is completed. Great. Let's see what it looks like, Garfield. Garfield. I'm impressed. That is an incredible life-size replica of Elvis Presley.
Yeah, but it was supposed to be a skateboard. Annoying thing number 20 is the most annoying of all. It's dogs. Dogs stink. They're stupid. They're useless. They're... Hey! Who put that on my cue card? Normal! I didn't mean it. I didn't mean what I said about dogs. Dogs are nice. Dogs are noble. Dogs are good. Dogs are here. Dogs are here, and I am leaving.
Cat, your history.
You don't want to do anything to me in front of millions of people.
Millions of people?
We're on TV now, Rover. Haven't you ever been on TV before?
TV? Why, no.
Really? A talented guy like you?
I'm not talented.
You're being modest. I'll bet you're quite the little dancer.
Oh, well, I do a few steps.
Isn't that great, folks?
My mama always thought I should be on the stage.
And you should, but not my stage now. If you just...
Hey, watch this one.
Wonderful. Now we have to get on with the show.
Hey, Cat, I'm not letting you get in the way of my big break here.
Hey, don't. Stop. Don't do that. Help. Look out.
Forgive the intrusion, ladies and gentlemen. Could I have my hat and cane?
Annoying thing number 21. Guys who don't know when to get off camera. Good night.